Even if you're only a casual car enthusiast, the ritual of washing your vehicle can be an excellent way to relax on a sunny afternoon. It's a great way to get some alone time or reconnect with your family after a long week of work and other obligations. Regularly washing your car or truck can also pay off in more pragmatic ways. Bird excrement, tree sap, and even plain old dirt and dust can permanently damage the paint finish if you don't clean it promptly, and that can have a negative effect on your vehicle's resale value. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best car wash mitt. So let's get started. Number 5. The Rag Company Premium Cyclone Korean Microfiber Wash Mitts. This is a fantastic product to get your vehicle clean and bring out its glossy color. It has luxurious long microfiber strands that easily trap the dirt and take it away from your paintwork, and it's made from a 70-30 blend of microfibers, which is perfect for avoiding scratches. This is also a product that you can expect to last. The manufacturer says that it should last through different seasons and for years to come, but be sure to do your part and take care of them properly to ensure they last as long as possible. You can reuse this product by simply throwing it in the washing machine, just be sure to put it on a gentle cycle. If you prefer, you can wash it by hand using a mild detergent. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 4. Amazon Basics Deluxe Microfiber Car Wash Mitt. Why have one car wash mitt when you can have two? With this 2-pack, you can polish and shine up your car without scratching the body. These are designed from soft microfiber and they're lint-free. So you can look forward to seeing no dust-like strands on your vehicle after cleaning. Of course, the noodle design captures the dirty particles that you don't want. This can help bring out your car's true paint color and make it look as good as new. Also, this mitt can absorb up to an impressive 7 times its weight in water. Because of this, you'll be able to spread around your suds and clean faster. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 3. Miguels X3002 Microfiber Reusable Wash Mitt. If you've ever bought any products for your car, you'll most likely have heard of the Miguels brand. If you're loyal to their brand, they've got this microfiber wash mitt that you may be interested in. The great thing about this product is that it's versatile. You can use it for washing your car as well as detailing. This is a possibility because it can be used either dry or wet, it's your choice. This material is also relatively absorbent, which means fewer trips over to the bucket, and can easily spread suds around the body of your vehicle. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 2. Chemical Guys Mike_493 Chenille Microfiber Premium Scratch-Free Wash Mitt. If you prefer to use microfiber, check out this mitt from Chemical Guys. We particularly like the noodle design and caterpillar strands. This is going to wipe away dirt and debris without harming your paintwork, and of course, microfiber is known for being soft and non-abrasive, which means no swirl marks. The good thing about this microfiber product is that it's lint-free. This means you won't find any small strands or dust on your paintwork after cleaning. Plus, the bright lime green color is pretty cool too, you'll never lose it in an ocean of other items. The microfiber in this product is an absorbent material, which means it can hold water and shampoo pretty effectively. This will allow you to clean more area without having to go back to your bucket. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 1. Ultimate Car Wash Mitt by Relentless Drive. This double-sided, chenille microfiber mitt weighs 4.8 ounces, and is 11.5 inches by 8 inches by 1.5 inches wide. It is 80% polyester and 20% polyamide. It is machine washable and can be used on cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, RVs, or even in your home. The thick, absorbent microfiber wipes away dirt and grime without leaving behind any lint or scratches. The mitt has a mesh lining interior that easily allows you to put your hand back into the glove when you take it off while it's still wet. The mitt is soft and plush and holds a large amount of water. It fits nicely if you have big hands. It is well designed and completely non-abrasive. It features a wristband so it doesn't fall off your hand. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. That was our list of the top 5 best car wash mitt just for you.